Right, what's going on, guys? I hope you're all doing good. Another video. This car is pretty epic, so all I'm going to say is a house here, there's a car here. Not too sure what else is on the site. This is literally the first bit of walking in. But look at this. How cool is that little DAF car? That is amazing. I'm excited to get in the garage, have a walk around it. And it looks in such good condition, I'm not going to lie to you. Awesome. So there's cuttable bottles and all other old stuff around in here too. Yeah, let's pick it up the other side. Monday, August the 4th, 1975. How cool is that, guys? This car is solid. Literally, look at that in there. DAF 44. Well, that's a barn find. Absolutely incredible. There's not a bit of rust on it. It's a bit dark in there, guys, but 21,000 miles on it. That is so damn cool. Literally, there's not an ounce of rust on this car. Got the RAC emblem. Sorry, there's not much room in here. There we go, 21,963 miles. Ignition's been pulled out, so someone's tried to take it over the years. I've seen some cool things, but this is damn cool. Auto box as well. Just look at all this. Little bottles, etc. Yeah, this is cool. Now that's a bit brighter. And painted at some point possibly, or maybe that's how it was. But yeah, let's go and see the house. Right, guys, we're in the house. It's trashed. Let's have a little look around. So some lovely vintage equipment, little cooker, etc. Just look at the dials on it. The piano, is it?
Yeah, we've seen the piano.
Oh, I thought you had seen the piano.
I haven't seen it. Oh god.
You bought the Schweppes. It's a nice old range. Lager. That's pretty cool. Christmas card up here. Place is just trash, guys. Sadly, as you can see, the damp, the roof has come through in yet. Which is a shame. It's best condition cupboard that's actually in here. I'm not sure, it's just people have just been looking through here to see what they can get from you. Express 1980, that newspaper is. So there's a newspaper in the car for 75 and 1 year for 1980. Has been banned in 30 odd years. That's crazy. Curtains. There's one room with a massive open window. When I seen it from the outside, it looked so just lit up, really. Flooring. And I realised there's actually no roof on there. Kids just in there doing some photos. Look at that. It's been such a bright room back in the day. Lovely fireplace. And the finale is, look at that. See how damp it is? It's literally falling apart, and the keys are literally, the plastic's coming off the keys. Got a chair. Standard old school carpet. Floor's gone down here too, it's a shame. Lovely little sitting room. Some of this furniture would have been really nice if it was in good condition. Right, just gonna have a look upstairs. Depending on how far we can go upstairs. Might not be very far. Again, looks like it's been ransacked. Someone's been here, they've even been up the loft. Bathroom. All the heater light. What a waste, guys. Completely not a waste. Oh, wow. That was the floor creaking under me. As you can see, it's not really worth it, guys, to be fair. Big windows up here also. You need you want in to see that. There's no flooring in here. Again, floor's gone that side. Would have been a nice house. So there we go. I'm gonna wrap it up in here before I end up killing myself. Some of you might be enjoying the video if I did, but there we go. And yeah, this place is worth it just for that car. That DAF is amazing house. It's still there, I do not know, but its condition's incredible. We'll wrap it up, take it easy. See you in the next one, guys.